We are going to play tennis. Look at this headband. Very professional. And today we're shooting black and white image video. Gently lowering the camera into the bicycle basket. Here we are, tennis court. We're covered in big balloons so that we can play in comfort and warmth. Okay, we arrived like 12 minutes early. Once again, I'm always early. I'm just too excited about tennis. Alright, I always leave home so early. I always arrive super early. I always do a few serve practice before we begin to play, before the other players arrive. So that's why I'm so good at serving. Ha! Just kidding. No, I'm not. That's why I practice it. Okay. So yeah, this is the vlog, the black and white vlog. Isn't it very cool? What is this profile? Is L monochrome? Yeah. What does L stand for? Is it Leica? I don't remember. I may just look it up and put a subtitle here. What does it mean? L monochrome. And is it interesting that you can switch picture profile mid-shooting? It's very funny. And you can. Now we're at monochrome, L monochrome, L monochrome D. What do they mean? I don't know. We're back to the original one. L monochrome. This is how we're gonna shoot today. Black and white. Fence at the back of the tennis court. I used to come through that gate. Now it's gonna be a little bit difficult because they fenced it up for some reason. I don't know. Okay, we're inside. And it's loud. They are cutting grass or something, doing some work outside. Is that how it looks inside? Obviously you can't see color, but it's all orange and dark and brown. It doesn't look that great. It's very dim here. You gotta turn on the light. Guys, the external battery for my e-scooter has arrived, so I'm gonna install it right now and try it out this afternoon and see just how much additional range we can get from this battery. It's pretty big, pretty heavy. Alright, let's get started. Okay, it's installed. It's quite a bit of hassle. The screws are very tight. It's very difficult to install from here. This one's easy. Alright, let's turn it on, see if it works. Like once I saw some red light flashing here, but right now it's not on. Why? Alright, let's charge it up, see what happens. So dark. It is raining right now, so unfortunately I cannot test the scooter because it's not waterproof. So I'm gonna just test it tomorrow. Comprehensive test. I'm gonna test the maximum range and at sports mode as well as eco mode. so we'll see how much it varies. It's gonna be a very interesting test right now. It's very dark outside, but I'm challenging my camera a little bit by shooting in such darkness. I mean, black and white doesn't have a lot of color noise, or rather doesn't have color noise at all, so it probably helps. Anyways, yeah, if the weather is good tomorrow, I'm gonna test it tomorrow. It's gonna be 2 trips, you know, have to go exhaust the battery and then come back, charge the battery up, and then go again second round. Ooh, it's gonna be a long day of testing. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Also tomorrow I'm not gonna shoot black and white anymore. I'm gonna just shoot in color. Back to normal. Just black and white for a day, for fun. All right. See ya.